covering the trash can?
So we can see when he comes out. I gotta pay him if he comes out. I mean, if he swallows it.
Well, I'm sure you're gonna see it fly out.
Oh, you pay the 20 if he swallows it?
Yeah, he's gonna swallow it.
Oh, I thought you
He's
were gonna
gotta
pay him
try. He
just to
can't
do it.
just fake it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna pay him just to do it. Oh, no. Like I don't have video on my iPhone. Trey, you're gonna miss it. You better hurry up.
Second attempt. Turn the music off. Dude, you took out the power to my music.
No, Damien told me to.
I want to hear the gagging. Swallow it. Swallow it! I can smell cinnamon. Oh, you smell like a fucking cupcake. Can you breathe?
Dude, he had to look without his nose. I got on video. Hey, Josh, you gotta give 20, dude. He did it. I didn't see him spit none of that shit out.
You ever taken that bet?
Do like this.
Gurgle. There you go. And you're taking that trash out tonight too. Yeah, I ain't taking that lip.
Oh, we even got him blowing chunks.
It's everywhere my fucking mouth.
Kind of like my semen was last night.
Now look at the camera and say I'm a jackass. I just tried to swallow cinnamon for the second time.
I'm a jackass.
Now say it was a lovely tea party. That's a little fucking Girl Scout, huh? He's crying like a little girl.
I am.
That's good shit.
Hey, Justin, that was more than $20.